Hi everyone, it's Jenny Jordan here, and I've been writing a book, Financial Literacy for Women. And why I did that is because a lot of people, when they join up in a relationship, they pool all their money. And usually, and I say usually, that one person is better with money than the other. The only trouble with this is that you're taking away the other person knowledge and education on how to look after money. Some people will cry, I've always been bad with money. But you know what? You have to get better at looking after your money. I can remember as a kid when I first started school a few years ago, and then I left school and then I got my first job. And when I got my first pay, well, isn't that exciting? Coming from a poor background, you've got no idea how exciting it was. So I would blow the money. And then I would have to either sell something off to buy my train ticket into the town. But this happens a lot, and then you need to go back to grassroots and to be able to nail it. You hear this with older people too, whose partner has died, and the other partner doesn't even know how to get into pay bills for anything like that. Let's take it back to grassroots stage. Let's take it back so that you have an understanding and you can manage your money, not the other way around. It's a great book. I put a lot of hints and tips into it to enable you to get forward ahead, so that you can look after your own financial fitness, if you like. So give it a go. I don't know where it's appearing on here, but go ahead and download that book. I'm sure you won't be sorry. Thank you. Bye for now.